Grapes, the small fruits that shaped human history. Grapes, those small fruits often overlooked in our everyday lives, have played a crucial role in the history of humanity. From their origins in the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia and Egypt, where they were so valued that they were used as currency, to their evolution in modern viticulture, grapes have witnessed and been at the center of countless significant moments in people's lives. Their cultivation has not only influenced the economy of various cultures, but has also led to the creation of wines that celebrate special moments around the world, becoming a symbol of celebration and unity. The earliest evidence of grape cultivation dates back thousands of years, when agricultural communities began domesticating this wild plant. In Mesopotamia, grapes were not only a food source, but they were also used in religious rituals and as offerings to the gods. In ancient Egypt, grapes were grown abundantly and wine was produced to accompany the celebrations of the nobility and offered to the deities in religious ceremonies. This appreciation for grapes extended throughout history, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. Thus, grapes became an essential element of diet and culture, marking the beginning of a tradition that endures to this day. The impact of grapes on our daily lives goes beyond their use as currency or their role in viticulture. These small fruits are, in fact, a superfood packed with nutritional benefits. Their high antioxidant content, including the well-known resveratrol, makes them a powerful ally for our health. Resveratrol, recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to combat cellular damage, has been the subject of numerous studies suggesting it may contribute to cardiovascular health and longevity. Additionally, grapes are rich in vitamin C and K, making them an ideal and healthy snack, low in calories and perfect for any diet. Incorporating grapes into our diet is not only beneficial for health, but also a delight for the taste buds. Their culinary versatility is impressive. We can enjoy them fresh as a refreshing snack on a hot day, or transform them into raisins, perfect for adding sweetness to a variety of dishes. Moreover, grapes can be made into juices or jams, which become delicious accompaniments for breakfast or snacks. Grapes are not limited to desserts. Their natural sweetness makes them ideal for savory dishes, where they add a fascinating and complex contrast. Imagine roasted chicken with a grape sauce, where the fruit's acidity enhances the meat's flavor, or a fresh salad with grapes that provides a crunchy and sweet touch. Creativity in the kitchen knows no bounds when it comes to this small fruit. And, of course, we cannot talk about grapes without mentioning wine. Wine production has been a tradition that has endured through the centuries, with each bottle telling a unique story. From the vineyards of France to those in Chile, each region adds its own character and flavor to the wines produced. A good wine can transform an ordinary meal into an extraordinary experience, and grapes are at the heart of this tradition. Whether it's a robust red, a crisp white, or an elegant sparkling wine, wine is a way to celebrate life, toast to special moments, and share with friends and loved ones. If you're inspired by the rich history and benefits of grapes, I invite you to experience unique gastronomy at Cantina 33, located at Calle Campomanes 5. This restaurant not only offers a cozy and inviting atmosphere, but has also crafted a menu that highlights the versatility of grapes in the kitchen. Here, you can savor special dishes that incorporate grapes in innovative ways, from fresh salads to delectable desserts that will leave you wanting more. Each bite is a celebration of the richness of this fruit, and every dish features the special touch of chefs who have poured their hearts into creating a memorable culinary experience. At Cantina 33, you won't just enjoy the food, you'll also have the opportunity to learn more about the fascinating world of grapes and wine. The staff will be delighted to guide you through the wine selection, helping you find the perfect pairing for your meal. It's a place where gastronomy becomes a social experience, allowing you to share laughter, stories, and, of course, a good glass of wine. So the next time you think of grapes, remember that they are not just a simple fruit. They are part of our history, a symbol of celebration, a superfood packed with benefits, and a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. I encourage you to visit Cantina 33 and discover for yourself how this small fruit can transform a meal into a memorable feast. Come and savor the culinary delights they have to offer, and let grapes take you on a journey of flavors and experiences that you'll cherish forever. We look forward to welcoming you.